Welcome to Stuff You Should Know. You should know this. That's the name of it. You should know this. Today I'm going to start teaching you about lean manufacturing, lean systems, the Toyota way they call it. I've been through a lot of classes. I've been studying lean manufacturing for 10 years now, 12 years, something like that. Quite a bit of time. Many classes in college. I've been at companies that practiced some aspects of lean manufacturing. So let's look at this, and it's a lot easier than you think. Okay, lean manufacturing is it's actually pretty easy to understand it, and a lot of people don't understand it, and that's what's so difficult about it. Once you understand it and you have a feel for it, you can really get going with it. All right. So lean manufacturing is easy, I'm telling you. See, most people feel like this guy. No matter what we do, we can't get forward, can't go backwards. We're doing everything we can and we're stuck. We can't do anything. And I'm telling you, it's easy because you've always done it. You've done it your whole life. Okay? That was Austin Powers, that little gif right there. This is from Romeo and Juliet, 1996, 97, something like that. Yeah, that's Leonardo DiCaprio, and this is actually a pretty decent interpretation of Romeo and Juliet. What I'm bringing this up for is one of the most famous lines: "A rose by any other name would smell as sweet." Doesn't matter what you call the rose; you could call it Della Rosa, and it would still smell just like a rose. Okay? Doesn't matter what you call it, it's the same thing. Doesn't change the meaning of it, doesn't change the physical of it if you change the name of it. The name's just there. And that's one of the tricks of lean manufacturing that people don't understand. They've always done it, but lean gives it a name and requires it part of the step and part of the 5-step process or whatever, right? That's the trick of lean. That's what makes it so special. So, we're going to look at one of these and I'm going to show you a lean tool that you've never used, that you didn't know you were using before. So I'm gonna need you to run a Krebs process real quick. I need your results for your Krebs process, your Krebs cycle. Do your Krebs cycle. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, I need your results. What are your results? You're freaking out because you sat through all the lean classes and you don't know what a Krebs cycle is, right? Well, it's not a lean tool. This is the meter used to test your Krebs cycle. Okay, this is a better diagram of the Krebs cycle. It's how each individual cell in your body converts sugar, oxygen, and water into energy and carbon dioxide and uric acid. You've done it your whole life, but you didn't know what it was called. You just did it. Okay? A lot of lean tools are just like that. Now, money, please. You've seen this annoying video, and I'm sorry I did the impersonation there. It's an annoying child talking to a parent. Money, 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 please. This is the 5 whys. Yes, this is the 5 whys. Those of you who have raised a teenager know what's coming. Dad, I totally need like $1,000, man. And you're gonna say, your first question is, why do you need $1,000? Because my car's in the impound, no cap. And you're gonna be like, why is your car in the impound yard? Like them cops were totally 100% just beefing on me, man. Okay? Why were the cops beefing on you, man? Like my car was sitting in the middle of the road. It wasn't my fault. Totally. On God, no cap. Okay. Why was your car sitting in the middle of the road? How many whys are we up to now? 3, 4? Why was your car sitting in the middle of the road? It totally ran out of gas, man. Stupid Exxon and whatnot. Why did your car run out of gas? Like, I didn't have any gas money, bro. Like I was gonna get gas, but I didn't have any gas money. Okay, why didn't you have any gas money? I'm going to skip to the end here. Like, I was totally hanging out with the bro you told me not to hang out with, man. And he was like, dude, let's go party. And we spent all the money on something stupid. See? You keep asking why, and eventually you'll get to the real answer of the problem. That's the five whys. It's like talking to a teenager. Now, I'm not saying every one of your employees is going to be that annoying child. Okay? I'm saying keep asking the questions. Keep pulling off each band aid. You got a pile of band aids and blood's still coming out. Start pulling off the band aids. Why do we do this extra step? Well, we get better results with it. Well, what are your results? Oh, they're the same error rate as the regulars. Okay, why did you start doing this extra step that isn't effective? Oh, we did it for this one customer. I've never heard of that customer. Why are we doing it for that customer? Oh, we sent a mistake to them, and they were humping the sales lady from our competitor, and they wanted out. And we instituted this new process to keep them, and they still quit the next week. But why are we doing the extra process if it's not getting any results for a customer that quit 15 years ago? Yeah, it's there. We've always done it that way. See, you keep pulling off the band aids, and you find out that the band aid isn't working. Maybe you need stitches. Maybe you need to pull the thorn out and it'll heal itself, right? That is an actual conversation I had with the new vice president, and we eliminated an insanely wasteful process that wasn't getting us any results because he asked a why, and I gave him the five whys with only one why. Yeah, you can get through it with one why. You might have 10 whys. You keep asking the questions, and we'll get to the point where it says, oh, yeah, we did it because Jeff made us do it. Who's Jeff? Jeff's the guy that we fired 10 years ago for embezzling. Wait a minute. He was scamming the money, and we're doing this to cover up his scam of the money. Well, that's the way it is. We've always done it. We've got the tool in place, and it's on this piece of paper right here. This is what you do with lean. You find stuff that it's not giving results, and you find a way to eliminate it. Is it really necessary to be there? That's one of the tricks of lean. It's talking to a teenager, a rose by any other name. The five whys is questioning your teenager when they ask you for money. That's it. I'm going to go through the others, but this is my first lean video. My next one will be the history of Toyota, so you can you can get a deeper understanding of the philosophy of lean manufacturing. Okay? So, hopefully this helps you. Hopefully it'll get you thinking, hey, I've already done this lean tool before under a different name. Okay, so like, share, and subscribe, and get notifications, and give me a comment down in the comment section. Yes, give me a comment down in the comment section, and so you'll jack me up on the algorithm, and I'll get out to more people. Yeah, thanks.